how to open Microsoft Micro. Sir, now I am telling how to open Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. We have to go to this Windows button, Start button. When we click that, and at the right we can see this. In this we can open Word, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Or we have to simply open this PowerPoint and we have to click first one. This we can see here. We can make here my AME name is ARNAV Arno CHANDRA Arno Chandra, and here we can write R NAV and CLASS class 5th and CECTION section. We can like this. And we have to expand this PowerPoint presentation. We have to click this new slide. When we click it, we can see some options. Yeah. Title slide, title and context, section header, to context, compression, title only, blank, content with composition, picture with composition.
Caption.
Sir, what is caption?
Yeah.
Picture with caption.
Caption when means some kind of sideline, some kind of side heading, sideline like that.
Okay, sir, thank you. I didn't understand when I clicked this, understand this word. Thank you, sir. When we click picture with caption, you can see like this. Click to add title, click to add text, and click icon to picture. When we click it, file will be open. We have to go to this PC and pictures, camera roll, and this photo I want. And we can post this picture and we can write something here. And we can, wait, sir. When we are writing here, we can change the color of the text also. Like my BROTHER brother name is.
My brother's name, brother apostrophe S.
Thanks. Apostrophe. Brother's name is.
Single quote. Only one time this one.
Okay.
Apostrophe. Only one time.
Shift plus. No.
Second key from L. Yeah, beside that key. Yeah, beside to the right of that. Beside that semicolon key. So L, the second key to the right of L.
And now it's okay.
After the S.
Superb. Yes.
The name is NIHA. One problem is there in this laptop's keyboard.
Yeah, I understand.
When we click or comma or apostrophe, we can't understand where is this apostrophe in in
Yeah,
keyboard.
I can understand.
I
I
have
can.
to click the shift plus comma.
All right. Okay.
And we can change color of this.
Yeah.
My brother told sir left shift and left arrow. We can select this.
Yeah,
My
exactly.
brother told him
Yeah.
Excel.
Yes, yes.
You can change the color.
And also you can
In
use
Word.
keyboard shortcuts. Like, you can use keyboard shortcuts like Control Shift, right arrow, left arrow, like that. So when you press Control and Shift, if you press right arrow, you will have right selection. And if you press left arrow, you will have left selection.
We can change color of this.
Yeah.
When we click this blue one, the color has changed.
Okay.
When we select this all and click this,
So
the surroundings will be so dark.
yeah, Nihal, what's your favorite color?
Light blue, sir.
Light blue. Okay, Arnav, please take light blue.
Okay. Wait, so first I have to select this all.
Yeah.
And this. When we click, select this all and click this. Okay, sir. And when we click this, some options will be there. Arial black, Arial. When we click Arial black, we have to select. When we select and select to Arial black, it will be so bigger than that smaller one. So,
see, above at the middle of the screen, above at the middle, you have an option, convert to smart art. Do you see that?
What, sir?
Above in the middle, at the top of the screen, on the middle of the screen, yeah, to the right, you have convert to smart art. Yeah, there. You can use that also. Down. Convert to smart art. Yeah, you can use that also. Yeah. Yeah, see how beautiful it is now. You can take any of those options. You can take any of those designs.
One type of model, sir.
So
Model.
how is it? How is that smart art?
Nice, sir.
Yeah.
Nice,
So without working hard, you can take any of those designs. Okay, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Wait. I have to go to home.
Yeah, or maybe you can save, maybe, yeah.
Yes, sir. Where? Sir, when we click this button, some numbers will be there. 28, 24. When we click 24, you have to select first. We have select this all.
Okay, Nihal,
And
are you holding Dettol in your hand? Okay.
Sir?
No,
when we click 66, it will be smaller than 68.
Okay.
This 66. When we click, it will be normal. When we have to save this.
Yeah, please save. Yeah.
First trick is we have to we have to save this. First trick is we have to click this wrong button.
Okay.
And some options will be there. Save, don't save, cancel. When we save, some options where we have to save, it will be show.
Yeah.
When we click cancel, it will be cancelled.
Okay. Yes.
When we wrong and click on don't save, it will be wrong and don't save. Didn't save.
Yeah. It will.
And we have to save. Another trick is there, sir. To save,
Okay.
we have to go to file and save.
Okay.
We can say we have to click share, save, or save as.
Yeah.
Some option will be there. This PC, desktop, like that. When we click the save button, it will be like save as only. So click recent or OneDrive, this PC. You have to click this PC, desktop, and save. And it has saved and didn't go anywhere. And here is this.
Yeah, exactly. This file gets saved on the desktop here, there. Yeah, right. Yes.
Here. Now we can't edit it. We can edit it.
Okay.
When we click this wrong and open it. We can edit once again, sir. What's wrong in this?
Yeah.
That's it only, sir. That's it.
Is it over? Okay, great.
Yes,
so
sir.
remember using that smart art. Okay, right? So if you use SMART, smart art, okay, you can make very appealing, very good looking slides on the PowerPoint, not working hard. Okay, right? Just by using smart art, you can make your slides look better. There are so many designs. You can take any of those designs. So if anyone else has any questions about PowerPoint, you can ask now. Okay, right? And by the way, what is the operating system that is running on your device? Arnav, what is the operating? Yeah.
Sir, what, sir?
What is the name of the operating system that runs on your device? Like, Windows. Yeah.
Windows 10, sir.
Windows 10. All right. Very good. So the device that you have used has Windows 10 operating system running on it. And this
Microsoft Word, Excel, and Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These are all 2019 version.
Oh, wonderful. So what you have
version.
shown us is Microsoft PowerPoint version 2019. All right. Amazing.
Yes,
very good. Thank you so much. And what I am saying is we can use the feature, smart art, SMART, smart art, to make, good looking slides without hard work, right? So if there are no more questions, we'll just, stop this recording first. Okay, right? Thank you very much.